Coming in 2026, Release 2, Direct Ship Order Lines Import will deliver a smarter, more efficient way to manage direct ship orders. It allows the ability to import origin and destination weights directly into direct ship orders, where teams can streamline data entry, reduce manual effort, and improve accuracy across the order process. As you can see here, in commodity accounting, direct ship orders, we've added a section here for import. If you click on the order line template, this will provide you the template you can use for importing. You can actually select a specific commodity, or you can leave the commodity blank and all grade factors will populate on the template. Under the import order lines, this is where you will actually import your file, so it will update the direct ship order lines. So watch for this enhancing improvement in the 2026 Release 2 update.